y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I am so glad that you made it back. Today I have a quick video about rolled paper flowers. It's really not going to be a tutorial, it's going to be more of a demo of this nifty little tool that I found at Hobby Lobby, and it's called the Savvy Slotted Quilling Tool. So yeah, you're gonna see it in action. You're also gonna see some clips of me actually kind of doing some stuff in Silhouette Studio, because as you know, I use a Silhouette Cameo 4 for my cutting and other purposes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All you're gonna need is 12 by 12 paper, some glue, preferably some fast grab tacky glue or hot glue. If you do wind up using just like the original tacky glue or Elmer's glue or something, it's gonna take a little longer to dry. You're gonna have to hold it down, and yeah, I prefer something that's gonna grip a little faster. The paper that you're gonna use is gonna be, of course, you want colored paper all the way throughout. You don't want the one that has a white core, because it's not gonna make your little flower look as pretty. It'll still look pretty, just not as pretty. And I think that's it. You're just gonna need a little bit of time and maybe a little patience, because it's kind of hard to get used to rolling paper flowers. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna show you the clips and all that other good stuff, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so here I am in the Silhouette Studio, and I'm just gonna go look for the rolled paper flowers that I previously downloaded. All I did was search on Google for rolled paper flowers SVG free, and it brought up several websites where they had these people made these and had them out there for free. I think one of them was Jennifer Maker. I think you do have to make an account on her website though, but you can get some free stuff from her website as well. I can't remember the other ones. They're available everywhere. I think you can even buy some of these that they're probably a better quality, I would think, if you have to pay for them. But these were all free, the ones that I'm showing you here. And it's really simple. You can make them as big or as small as you want. I wouldn't go too small, because if you go super small, it's going to be really hard to roll them, and you're just asking for trouble. Basically, you're asking for frustration. Believe me, I've tried it, and they do come out really cute, but it takes a lot of time and patience, and sometimes I just don't have patience. But yeah, this is what you do when you're in Silhouette Studio. I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar to the Cricut Design Space, I think is what it's called. But yeah, anyways. So all I'm doing here is I'm trying to figure out how to get these to cut out a little better, because in the past I've had trouble with them not cutting out correctly, or like some of the ends are too thin and it doesn't work. And what I did is I increased the line size, and I'm gonna do an edge cut, which winds up not working, spoiler alert. But hey, I tried it. Either way, they cut out. It's fine, it worked. Alright, so here we go. The Savvy Quilling tool actually works pretty good. It makes it a little easier. As you saw in the video, I did struggle a little bit, but I mean, it worked. I liked it. It made a nice tight center, as you could see in the flowers. I think you can adjust how tight it is or how loose it is, but you know what? It worked for what it is. For $10, I think it was pretty good, and the flowers came out pretty nice. Let me know if you tried this tool and if you like it. I liked it. I did see some of the reviews on there, and they were kind of mixed. So I'll have to kind of use it again. I did make a DIY one out of a dowel. That's not it. That's just a random dowel that I had lying around right there. And it definitely worked better than a wooden dowel because, for one, it's, you know, it's metal and it's not going to break because I've broken them before. Yeah, what I originally was going to do was I was going to make a bouquet of paper flowers, but I decided it was going to be a little bit too much for me. So here it is. I hope that this video was informative and that you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay crafting. I'll see y'all later. Bye!